Action.
Water can come from the clouds. Come on, soil, give a bow. Take the water in, that's all I need. I'll drink for the plant without greed. I am the root's luscious head of hair. Each one's a lump cell, it's quite the flare. The plant needs us to live, so don't you dare pull us out, 'cause we'll tear.
Cortex. I'm loose. I take in that clear juice. I let water flow. I'm like a caboose. Water don't go to enter me. My cells let them pass. Yes, sirree.
I am basically the border control. I control the movement of minerals as a whole.
Endodermis.
My cells are tightly packed. That's whack. Let the water through, but keep that trash back. Casparian strip.
I'm a gooey substance. That's a plant's creation. I get water into a sticky situation. I'm quite hydrophobic, so I really hate the clear juice. So that water and I, we've made a truce. So it still gets where it needs to go, but the minerals in the water can be foregoed. Because the water must pass through the membrane,
In plastic movement.
then unneeded minerals can be restrained. Paracycle.
Single layer of cells. I start branches and roots. If you can't tell, my epic cells are able to divide. Ultimately, I let some water inside. Xylem ray.
Unlike the regular xylem that transport vertically, us rays work together to transport horizontally. Carry the see-through cocktail from the pith to the cortex. I parenchyma shells, quite complex. Xylem.
I'm the xylem and got the water in grip.
And I got that drip.
I got so much water, but I won't let the plant tip. In woody cells, I grow from the VC. From the root to the leaf, water goes. I got B-cell conducting cells of two different types. Tricaps and VEs are my lovely types. My VEs are bigger and have perforation plates, and the water path are what the tricaps pitted walls create. Vascular campus.
I am where secondary xylem and phloem are born. I create the transportation for water, not to toot my own horn. When I grow stronger, I strengthen the stem. I'm single layered and quite the stem. Spongy mesophyll.
I've got irregularly shaped cells. With my buddies, we're air pocket hotels. Within those air pockets, there's water vapor. Come through the stomata, my good neighbor. Bundle sheath cell.
I give the xylem and phloem a tight hug. By surrounding them, keep them snug. The xylem and phloem are the main stars. I regulate movement of water too, transporting like cars. Stomata.
I am between two guard cells. Water can either enter or say its farewell. I'm open and turgid as water enters the sleeves. I'm close and flaccid as water leaves. Cutin.
I am the plant's waxy layer. To water, I'm not really a betrayer. I try to block the water from evaporating because the cells try to do some stealing. Okay, that's the end of Act 1, water. We needed like 10 seconds intermission.
God.
That was beautiful.
That was indeed beautiful.
It's fine.
Work of art.
It is just, here we are.
Maybe more than 10 seconds.
Okay, here's the start of Act 2, sugar.
Great.
So first we're entering palisade mesophyll.
Understand that I have to absorb the sun. With my elongating is really fun. This is so that I can photosynthesize. What don't you get about that, you guys? Spongy mesophyll.
My cells are funky and irregularly shaped. They allow space for gas that from the outside escape. The air space is in between so water can enter.
From the stomata.
My cells with the palisade are the photosynthesis centers. Phloem.
Yo, what up? I'm the phloem and I got the sugar. I take the minerals to the mineral butcher. From the leaves to the roots I help with transport. Specifically, it's organic compounds that I import. The seed tube members are my conducting cells. They're made of parenchyma that excel in doing their job. They're specialized. They all have their companion cells that I prize. My seed tube members members are just cytoplasm, but their companion cells have nuclei. Such enthusiasm. Those nuclei can control and maintain both cells, and the seed place with the C2 members say farewell. But I'm not yet done with those cool companion cells. They can also transfer sugars, another amphibian cell. Next, I'll introduce you to the awesome BC, an integral part of the tree.
I am a soft and spongy layer. Stems truly love me. I am a team player. I got so much food. It's like I'm a waiter.
Look, that nutrient soup.
That's all I got. I'm gonna see you later. Flumray.
I'm the phloem's best friend. Horizontally is how my sugar is set. I spread it to the cortex from the pitch. I work like the xylem race, so it ain't no myth. Cortex.
But that's not all I can do. I'm also a pantry for the plant's food. Starch is a bunch of stuff that I can store. I got so much I can let it pour. Yay!
Excellent, thank you.
My respect for you went up by 8